Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add SOCKS5 to Shadowrocket. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Shadowrocket app, and once you're inside here, simply tap on the add server option right here or tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once that's done, here you'll be sent to the add server screen or page or section. All you gotta do is simply tap on the type option, and once you tap on type, here you'll be given a bunch of options. Among them you'll find the option that says SOCKS5. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, here all you gotta do now is enter in your information like your address, your port number, your password, your username as well if needed. And once all those processes complete, simply tap on the save option or button on the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, tap on connectivity test to give it a go. And once that's successful, all you gotta do is simply toggle this not connected button to on, and you'll be able to successfully add SOCKS5 to Shadowrocket. That's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.